Second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Clean the windows so we can see Santa come to our house. But as you see, when I pulled the blinds up, there are bugs laying around. So we'll get rid of those. And a little bit of mold. And I did do these in the springtime, but I found this glass cleaner at a truck stop, and it's called Bull Snot. This is not a sponsor. I'm just showing you what I'm using to clean it, and it's the first time I'm using it, so we'll see if it works or not. And I'm just using paper towels, and I'll come down here and clean that when I'm done. Some say don't clean your windows unless it's sun shining outside, but that doesn't make a difference really. And this is what's coming off the windows. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe. And y'all go attack y'all's cleaning. So far that stuff has worked. And I'm just showing you one window that I'm doing. And continue watching so you can get the third day of cleaning. We're a little bit behind right now on the days of Christmas. But thanks for watching.